What's in there?
Senior boys want 100 meters. I know say go. It passed though.
Pass me, ghetto jets. You know how many that they reach get you?
Oga, this area is not safe.
Hey! My wallet!
God take on now.
You don't want me to chase you?
Bah.
I'm a professional sprinter. I've seen people that can run. But that boy is extraordinary.
A street urchin beat you to a pulp.
Next time you snap it up!
You fit turn big name with this your speed. If these Yankee people like you like this, your life don't change with that. You go take Ruffy, go school for Yankee.
The man say I get talent if you carry me go Yankee. And I feel carry you alone.
No. See yourself go.
Now you say make you take charge.